How y'all doing? It's a rainy Sunday. Got my winter hat on. It's chilly. It's like, I don't know, 43 or something like that. Not used to this yet, so feels cold. But I got a giant mess on my hands here. Cleaning out the garage a little bit. Got lots of metal here. This is just 4 years of projects and just scraps. Just so much stuff. I don't know how I accumulated so much in such a short amount of time, but all this stuff was in that corner. I'm trying to get it all cleaned out so I have more workspace. This pile here, I'm just gonna throw out. Some of this stuff, like that pile, I'm gonna put out in my scrap pile. And then this pile here, this is all car parts. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put that. Well, a lot of good stuff in there. A lot of good stuff, so gotta pack that away somewhere. Here's some useful metal, you know, square tubing and stuff like that. I'm gonna shove that over next to those bins. Try to get it organized better, but it's looking a lot better than it was, so that's good. I gotta get rid of these radiators. Somebody might want them for like Recore or something, or scrap. I don't know. Got more junk in there, garbage I gotta throw out. School has been going really well. I think I'm on week 8. I haven't really been able to get any good videos there. It's been pretty busy. All the time I got there, it's packed in pretty tight with all the little projects we got to get done. Just haven't had time to set up a camera and film because there's pretty tight time frames for everything. But I will put in a couple videos right here. Okay, so it's been a while since I started the truck. I think I'm going to do a cold start on that. Get it warmed up and drive it around a little bit. So let's do that. I'm going to try not to get my camera all wet here. I keep the battery disconnected just to be safe. Should probably check the oil. It's a good idea. It's been sitting here a while. Yep, still good. Alright. Alright. Park. I don't have a neutral safety switch on this yet, so just double check and make sure it's in park all the time. And I didn't touch the gas at all. Oh, there's a van in my way. Cannot wait to take this thing on the road next summer. People are probably going to give me crap about keeping this thing outside, but a little rain's not going to hurt it. It really does ride like a dream. It's just gas and go. Brakes need some work, but they somewhat work. It just goes into gear so nicely. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.